it is a paradigm shift, but I'd like to kind of tell you why and how, and it builds upon a lot of the things that Ravin was really talking about. So let me kind of give you a context as to why it is a watershed moment in terms of the paradigm shift. The reason is, historically and all the way through industrial revolution to today, steps in process was used as a way to reach an outcome. So the entire industry today, all the organizations are based on knowing a process to drive to the outcome. Everything is built on that fundamental notion. And that notion is about to change dramatically with AI, which is outcome is the first thing that AI and generative AI tools and newer technologies are going to give. And it is going to be the process to refine the outcome, which is going to be the new way of working. And what that does fundamentally is organizations are today designed to have functional silos, which Ravin was talking about, to take people from one step of the process to the next, hand over their output to the next step, and then the next step and the next function, and so on and so forth. But if you then now talk about really starting with the outcome, there are two major changes that you need to think about. First is, current leadership is based on understanding the existing processes to go towards the outcome. That leadership has to either change in two ways. Either they have to change or they have to be changed out, right? So that's really the biggest paradigm shift. And then the second one is, because we were always taking milestones and steps to get to the outcome, most of these milestones and steps will probably be replaced, eliminated, or rethought through, which means a lot of the organizations that may be trying to use AI to get better, augment individuals and things like that, may actually not exist. So from my perspective, it kind of builds upon what Ravin was talking about, which is process leads to outcome, changes to outcome leads to refining of the process. Organizations need to be redesigned. We don't know what they are. I know there are some hypotheses on how these organizations need to be built, but I fundamentally don't think we fully know and appreciate this fundamental and tectonic change that's going to happen.